Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need permission before you upload. First, identify the song's rights status: public domain, Creative Commons with commercial allowances, or fully copyrighted. Once identified, search YouTube Audio Library or a licensed stock music provider and download the track and license terms. If the song is copyrighted, send a concise license request to the rights holder or publisher specifying use in a YouTube short and territory. Make sure to obtain written permission or a license file to prove clearance. Once you have a license, match the license type to the short. You often need a sync license for composition and a master use license for the recording. Then, edit the audio to the required short length while keeping timestamps and segments documented. Make sure to add the license holder, license ID, and license terms in the video description and metadata. This prevents automated takedowns and speeds dispute resolution. Also, keep original license files saved in an accessible folder for proof. Now upload the short and include clear credits and license details in the description so automated systems and viewers see permission. Once done, monitor content ID and copyright notifications. If a claim appears, immediately use YouTube's dispute flow and attach your license or written permission. If that fails, escalate with a counter notice only when you legally own usage rights. Finally, keep all invoices, emails, and PDFs for at least 2 years so you can resolve future disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.